Hey everyone, this is William with ALOFT Drone Photography. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our tutorial today on how to place an order with us in our storefront. You'll notice across the top row of options here, we have our bronze package, our silver package, and our gold package. We also offer a service to the top right here called interior and exterior photos only. And of course, all of these services, including our packages, come with 2D floor plans from Cubicasa. If you want information on each of these packages, you can hit the View More options just below them. And then you can select your square footage of the property just below that. On the second row, we have some aerial drone photo and video options. To the left here, you can choose either the drone photo or video option. Just beside that, you can choose package options. And we also offer our Matterport 360 3D virtual tour services here. And on the last option, we have customizable 2D floor plans from Cubicasa as a separate service right here. On the bottom row, we have some options for our small business owners, including our bronze, silver, and gold package options here, as well as just a Matterport 360 3D virtual tour option to the bottom left here. So we'll go ahead and simulate that we are a realtor and we're looking for a package option that comes with the HDR photos, a customizable property website, and aerial drone photos. You can see that that's in our second option here by hitting View More. Have some hyperlinks here that will take you to some examples, as well as some add-on options that will be available on the subsequent pages of our ordering process just below here. So again, we'll simulate that we're a realtor looking for HDR photos and aerial drone photos, and our property is about 2,200 square feet. So we'll select that second option, scroll to the bottom and click Continue. On our add-on page, you'll see that we have several services here that you can add on to your primary order. And for this example, we're going to go ahead and select a few more drone photos to our order by checking that option there. And we'll scroll down and click Continue. On the next page, you'll add the service address of the listing. So we'll go ahead and simulate our address here for our business or the property address. A map will pop up to verify your address. You can move that accordingly if it's not accurate. It should be. And you'll go ahead and put your contact information for us here. Property size, we'll simulate that it's about 2,200 square feet. And we'll select that it is vacant. And we don't know the MLS number yet. Lot size, we can simulate 21,000 square feet or half acre. And we'll put the listing price at $450,000. Special instructions, anything like your lockbox code, info, or pets on premises, gate code, things of that nature can go there for us. Click Continue. All right, on the next page, you'll see our scheduling options. You want to go ahead and select your scheduling appointment, and we'll simulate that we want to shoot this property on the 14th. And we're going to go ahead and select 11:30 in the morning. Scroll down and click Continue. Okay, on the next step is the cart. You can go ahead and verify all your information here, the package you selected, any add-on services you chose to add to your order, and you have an option here to pay later or pay now through PayPal. We'll go ahead and submit pay later, and what that'll do is submit the order to us, and you'll go ahead and pay when your media is delivered to you. Okay, and that's it. On this last page is your receipt. You can verify all of your information here and the price, and we'll go ahead and be in contact with you to go ahead and take care of your listing. Thanks for checking out our tutorial today on how to place an order with us in our storefront. Take care. Bye-bye.